simple bathroom remodel sounds easy, right? Swap out a vanity, update a few fixtures, maybe change the floor. But here's the truth. What seems simple can quickly turn into one of the biggest headaches in your house if you don't plan ahead. Hey, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions. After remodeling thousands of bathrooms over the last 45 years, including about 150 just last year, we've seen it all. What makes projects smooth and what turns them into a nightmare. And in this video, I'm sharing the top 7 bathroom remodel mistakes that homeowners make and how you can avoid them. This information will help you no matter who you work with. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment with your biggest bathroom remodel question. Even if you're just replacing a vanity or upgrading a shower, bathroom remodels are rarely as simple as they seem. Plumbing, door swings, wall thickness, little details can snowball into big problems if you don't think them through. We've had homeowners buy a gorgeous vanity only to realize the drawers hit the bathroom door, or install new flooring that left the toilet sitting too high. These are mistakes you don't want to discover after the fact. The solution? Start with a clear plan, and if you're debating whether to tackle it yourself, we made a whole video called Is DIY Right for You? I'll link it here because it's worth watching before you swing a sledgehammer. A bathroom is one of the harshest environments in your home. Moisture, steam, constant cleaning. Cheap materials just don't last. We see it all the time. Particle board, vanities that swell, bargain countertops that stain, or shower systems with endless grout lines that quickly turn into mold magnets. Instead, balance your budget and durability. Groutless shower walls are one of the best upgrades you can make. They're sleek, modern, and so much easier to keep clean than tile. Pair them with quartz or solid surface countertops and a sealed wood vanity, and you'll have a bathroom that looks great and actually holds up over time. It's tempting to grab the lowest bid and call it a day. But cheaper almost always comes with a hidden cost. Delays, poor communication, or worse, sloppy workmanship that doesn't last. We've had homeowners call us in tears after paying twice, once for the cheapest contractor and again to have the job redone correctly. Do your homework. Read reviews, ask for references, and get a detailed contract. A good remodeler will be upfront about costs, timelines, and warranties. If you need help vetting, we actually have a remodeling company comparison guide that lays out the questions you should be asking. Definitely worth checking out. Bathrooms are small, so mismatched choices stand out quickly. Chrome faucet here, oil rubbed bronze shower head there, colors that don't coordinate. It ends up looking like a patchwork instead of a polished design. The fix? Choose a style direction before you start buying. Modern, traditional, farmhouse, whatever fits your home. Pull all the pieces together before you order so you can see how the finishes, colors, and textures work as a whole. A bathroom that feels cohesive always looks more high-end, even if the budget was modest. Even a small bathroom remodel is disruptive, especially if you only have one full bath. Losing access to your shower or sink for a few days can be more stressful than homeowners think. Always ask for a timeline up front. Have a backup plan, maybe a basement shower, a neighbor's bathroom, or even a temporary setup while work is underway. A little preparation makes the process much less frustrating. It's easy to scroll Pinterest and fall in love with the look, but what works in one house may not fit yours, literally. Every bathroom has its quirks. Plumbing placement, wall angles, square footage. Instead of copying a look, focus on your needs. Do you need more storage? Do you need easier to clean shower walls? Do you need better lighting? Prioritize functionality for your home first, and then layer in the look you love. That way, your bathroom isn't just pretty, it works for your daily life. A beautiful bathroom that doesn't function is just frustrating. We've seen remodels where the lighting was too dim, storage was overlooked, or high-maintenance finishes turned into constant cleaning chores. Think about how you'll use the bathroom every day. Layer your lighting, bright at the mirror, softer overhead, build in storage with drawers and shelves or maybe a medicine cabinet, and choose low-maintenance materials. Groutless shower walls and quartz counters are 2 great examples that give you a stylish look without the constant scrubbing. So there you have it, The 7 bathroom remodel mistakes we see most often: skipping planning, choosing cheap materials, hiring the wrong contractor, ignoring design, underestimating disruption, assuming that one size fits all, and forgetting functionality. Avoiding these will save you stress, money, and a lot of regret. Plan ahead, choose durable materials like Groutless shower systems, and work with a trusted professional, and your bathroom remodel will be smoother and more satisfying than you think. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.